Happens in my life. You're always there for me. Looking good by my side. Picture you now. What up, YouTube? Checking out this car show. It's a lot of different types of old school cars out here. Different types of vehicles. I want to check them out. Maybe talk to some people. We'll see. See what's going on. Oh. Oh my God, this is one of my favorites right here so far. Oh. Yo. Talk about old school, this is the most old school. Unit drop top, leather seats, suede seats. Okay, put some spinners on them. Oh, old school. Look at that engine. It looked like a fan in front of the engine. Only if I knew how cars work, right? I think I know how they work, but could I build one? I don't know. Look at that. This looks like a Hot Wheel. This also looks like a Hot Wheel. I love this Chevy right here, y'all. I said Chevy. It's the Chevy? I don't know. I gotta figure out what kind of car this is, but I like it. Put some speed. Z28. Oh, sorry. No, you good. I'm just. Oh, it's a Camaro by Chevy. Look at that. But it's also another Z28. Must be a different year or something. Maybe. I don't know. Like blue Dale. Okay. That's a lot of cool cars out here. It's a lot of cool cars out here. I'm more of a new school than old school guy, but it's pretty dope. Alright, check out this engine. It looks brand new, or close to brand new. That's kind of cool. A lot of old school cars out here. A lot of cool teams with cool things. But yeah, like I was saying, normally I'm into the newer models, new cars, big stuff like that, cool stuff like that. But I'm into these now. Maybe add some upgrades to them. That's kind of cool. Look at that engine. Oh my goodness. You'd be surprised of what's under the hood of an old car. It's usually an engine that's not old, you know. Yeah, I got a car driving by this way. Oh.
We're in the way. How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Right here at Kennedy Mall for all your eater.
I do 4-speed, no overdrive.
Interesting.
But what's fun with these British cars
In O'Reilly's Auto Parts. They got two locations, one on JFK
is
Union
running
Classic
normal
models.
carburetors.
They're on Highway 30.
On this tiny little car, they still got a dual carburetor setup.
Okay. So
Rapid.
I'm still learning about cars. So
A lot of the motorcycle guys will actually recognize these because they use something similar on theirs.
that does. I mean,
They're full of oil,
Mhm.
and they use that to slow the drop on the piston.
I think it's been 40
That's in
years
there
now.
when you open it up,
This is our
Okay.
43rd
and it helps keep an even throttle.
okay. So where it's not too much combustion in one piston
Yeah.
versus another one.
Or having it just drop all at once, and then you're flooding it and things like that.
Okay, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, there's,
Are these cars fun to drive?
it really is. I mean, they're not like crazy fast or anything like that. But even back then, it still do about 100, which is fast for the time.
Oh yeah,
And they drive like they're on rails.
that's kind of cool.
But if you could see in there, the shocks on these, instead of being the tube shocks, they're actually on a arm piston.
Oh, okay. Somebody know if I can. I mean, you don't have to move it, but
Yeah, probably have to.
it's all good. But that was kind of cool, y'all. Just checking out some old school cars, talking to a friend. Finally getting to feel like a YouTuber or a civilian, whatever you want to call it, for a second. Mainly YouTuber, I would say. Now I'm taking a walk through the mall. About to see what's going on. You know what I mean? About to see how the day going. Actually, what I'm about to do, I'm about to buy something cheap and hopefully get a deal and give that item to some people because that's how I'm feeling today. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because you're not gonna want to miss anything because I'm gonna be dropping content pretty consistently, okay? I'm gonna be doing cool stuff pretty consistently. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Let's get it, let's go. All right, y'all, I made it to my next destination. I will be going live on my YouTube very soon, so stay tuned. I'm saying stay tuned like I'm not gonna edit this video and put it out later, but you know what I mean, stay tuned. We keep the YouTube videos going, baby. It turned up. Make sure y'all stay tuned. New content from the drop. Big bangers. Yeah. I was just going off the pills. I do this shit for the thrills. I fuck her good for the feels. Hey, what's on my mind? None of that's making me meals. Shit, I know triple is fine. She getting freaky for real. I get on better for real.